In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PayPal account without a credit or debit card in a quick and easy way. First, you'll want to head over to PayPal's official website. So open up your browser and type in paypal.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up button, which is usually prominently displayed on the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be presented with two options, personal or business. Choose the account type that best suits your needs. If you're planning to use PayPal for personal transactions, like buying online or receiving money from friends and family, go for the personal account. However, if you're setting this up for a business, or if you plan on using it for professional transactions, the business account is what you need. After you've selected the appropriate account type, it's time to provide some personal information. You'll need to fill out the form with your email address, first and last name, physical address, and phone number. Also, create a strong password that meets PayPal's security requirements to keep your account safe. Once you've filled everything in, double check to avoid any mistakes, as this information is crucial for account setup and future transactions. Following that, PayPal will send you a confirmation email to verify the email address you provided. This email should arrive in your inbox within a few minutes, so keep an eye out for it. Once you receive it, open the email and click on the verification link. This step is essential because it validates your email address and activates your account. Now that your account is verified, you can start receiving payments immediately. However, if you'd like to withdraw funds, you'll need to link a bank account. This is a crucial step if you intend to move money from your PayPal account to your bank account. You don't need a credit or debit card for this process, just your bank information. Remember, a linked bank account not only makes withdrawing funds possible, but also lends additional credibility to your PayPal account, offering a bit more security to the transactions you conduct. And there you have it. Even without a credit or debit card, you can create and use a PayPal account effectively. This simple setup allows you to explore the world of digital transactions smoothly. Follow these steps and you're ready to handle online payments effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get started with your own PayPal account hassle-free.